It's hard to try to make you feel you're not mine. It's hard to deny, to say what's in my mind, that your love is true, and I don't have a reason to say goodbye. I'm always pretending that you're not existing. I'm always believing that your love is not there, but I know in my heart I've been unfair. I may not have the courage to tell you that I love you, baby.